Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in today's project we're going to be making a floating frame. There are two 11 by 14 frames, both of them I got them at the Dollar Tree. Okay, E6000 I got at Walmart. That's where I got this. Now this is the black grosgrain ribbon. This is what we're going to use to hang our frame. I got that in black. And also in the crafter square I got these jewel border stickers in the pearl. So we're going to be using that to border the frame. I got this sticker there that says love grows here. I absolutely love that. So we're going to be using that, and we're going to be using one of the little magnolia flowers. I pulled it off one of the stems. We're going to be using this to embellish, and I'll show you how when we get to that. Now when you buy these frames, okay, to make a floating frame, make sure that the frame has a glass, because I'm noticing some of the frames at Dollar Tree don't have glass, they're plastic. So make sure that it is glass, okay? But I guess you could do it in plastic. Listen, it's whatever you guys like. So we're going to pull that frame out and the backing because we don't need it. Now, when working with the Dollar Tree glass, you also have to make sure you're very careful with it. It's very thin and you can cut yourself. So I've already experienced this, so you don't want to go through that. So you just pull these tabs back to remove the backing. I want to make sure and work with a clean surface because we'll be laying the sticker down and then a glass on top of it. So, let me go ahead and move this. I usually put a cutting mat underneath my work area. Okay. Alright, so now what I wanted to do is, you see where that you have these leaves here? Well, I don't want to exactly use the leaves. We don't have enough room to use the leaves if we just keep them there that way. So I'm going to cut them and place them where I'm happy placing them. So I'm going to cut them out, and then we can go ahead and place them after we place the wording down. So that's the neat thing about working with these projects, is that you can pretty much, I'm going to cut out as much of this paper that we're not using because you could see that. That's the neat thing about working with these projects, is that you can alter them and fix them any way that you want. Okay, so my thing is, love grows here, I want in the center. So we're going to go ahead and peel that back. And also be careful, because when you are peeling it back, it may not be one whole sticker. And it isn't. So they're actually in pieces. So let's work with the love first. Okay, it is one whole sticker. I didn't think it was. Okay, so very carefully peel that up if it's all one piece, because you want to center it. You don't want any bubbles, so work little by little. It'll just save you so much headaches if you do. See, like right here, I'm noticing that the black from the wording, the flower that I tried to cut out, has this black piece here I don't want there. Okay, so now we can lay it down. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at that. Love grows here. Now I can choose where I'm going to place the flowers. So, and I don't have to keep them like this necessarily. So I'm just going to start out with that big leaf. So there's one flower, one leaf, and then like I said, I mean, I'm just going to move them around. I'm just cutting them out right now. This one, I think we're going to use this one. So I think I like this placement, guys. Again, you can rearrange this exactly how you like and whatever makes you happy. This is, I'm just giving you an idea. I like this placement, so we're going to go ahead and do this. Guys, I think I'm very happy with this result. And again, I'm just going to give it one more wipe down before we place that other glass on top of it. This is what we have. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I think this is breathtaking. I love using that word. It's breathtaking. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're going to grab the other glass. And what we're going to do is we're going to clean that. Just give it a wipe down. Okay, because this is what's going to be laying on top of that. Okay, now before we lay this down, we're going to be using some E6000. Now here's what we're going to do. We only need to put a little bit of E6000 on the four corners because once it's dry, it's a permanent stick. We should be okay. If you feel like putting a little bit more, because we're going to go ahead and border this with the jewel stickers, you could do the extra, like the middle too. So I'm going to put a little dot on the four corners. And that's if it's glass, because if you decide to go with plastic, you don't have to do this. And then I can go right in the middle here, and one on the top. Okay, and that should be more than enough as far as the E6000. Now, before we do anything else, I have this ribbon already pre-cut to the length that I want it in order to hang it. So I'm gonna lay that down because I want that to be in there with the glass. So we're gonna have to put E6000 on top of this ribbon once we lay it down. So I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna lay that ribbon down. Okay, now on top of that, I'm gonna put some E6000. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the glass. I wiped it on that side, let's wipe it on this side. And what we're also going to do, guys, is we're going to use the hot glue because we need an instant stick in order for us to continue working. Okay, so I am going to put some hot glue. On this here. Now you only have a second to move this around, so if you don't get the placement right. Now remember what I said, because we're gonna border this, you don't have to worry. Oh, I see the glue and all that. It doesn't matter if you see the glue because you're not gonna see it after we put the sticker on there. Now we're going to wipe this down. Okay. And then we're going to embellish with the stickers, and that will cover and hide all our flaws. Well, I'm not gonna say flaws, it's gonna cover all of the glue. So I'm gonna run. Okay, so that's the bottom here. Here, because I want to put one of the iridescent gems. On the two top corners there to hide that some of that black ribbon. Okay, then what we're going to do is I'm going to get some of those iridescent gems. Guys, I've been using these iridescent gems on everything because I absolutely love them. I'm going to glue one of these iridescent gems to the top here to try to camouflage a little bit of that black. It's not going to get it totally, but I'm going to give that magnolia a second to dry. And I'm going to show you what we have so far. Let me just work that down. Now once this is fully dry, you don't have to worry about the glass because that's a permanent stick right there. But this is what we have so far, guys. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? That is so beautiful. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 more of the iridescent gems on the bottom here, just so that it's kind of matching. Okay, now the magnolia, I'm going to place the magnolia on this side of the frame, and I'm going to do that only because I can still see the black ribbon, so it would make me happy if I don't have to see that black ribbon. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue here. I'm going to stand this up, and I'm going to glue this down. I think we're done. Okay. I am absolutely happy with this. You can use whatever flower you want. I'll probably glue that down. Hold on a second. Okay. So guys, this is the floating frame. We added a magnolia to it. You don't have to add a magnolia to it. I just wanted to. Thank you again. I hope you enjoyed the project, guys. And if you did, click like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.